Hi there! Today we are going to make a perspective drawing. Well, this sounds interesting. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see an interesting perspective drawing here. The entire explanation says that an object looks bigger when it's closer and looks smaller when it's away. Let's make two slanting lines which make this entire space from smaller to bigger or bigger to smaller. After that, we will start making the things which are inside it. The first one is a beautiful tree. So, let's start by making the tree nicely. Let's start by making the bark of the tree and then the top part. The first one is going to be the biggest as it is closer to us, and as it moves further away, it gets smaller and smaller in size. This looks interesting. The next thing we do is make the girl who's facing the other side. Hence, let's start by making the smallest girl. These lines which we have made here helps us make the size of the figure or the object bigger and bigger. We will make sure that we touch the head of the girl to the top line and the foot of the girl to the bottom line. After that, we will start by making the parrot. Well, we see 3 lines when we make the parrot. All we have to do is have the legs on this line and the tail till the bottommost line. The first bird or the first parrot we made is going to be the biggest, and then it will start getting smaller and smaller. Completed slowly and nicely. That's amazing. Next up, we are going to make this lamp post. Well, the lamp post can be tricky, but all you have to do is make it slowly and nicely. It starts getting thicker and thicker at the bottom. Let's start making the length of it a lot more bigger when we come on the right hand side of the paper. Go ahead and make it slowly and nicely. Let's make the rest of it in a similar way. This looks amazing. The next step we do is start sketching the entire thing. And yes, we will be using a micro tip pen for this activity. Let's give the tree an intricate detail. Let's complete sketching the entire thing in a similar way. This looks lovely. Next up, we will start coloring this tree. At first, we will make a scribbling texture for the tree right here. We will do it with the dark green first and then color it with the light green. After which, we will use a brown color and do it for this part. Let's use dark green color for these bushes right here. That's lovely. Next up, we will use olive green color for the girl's pant and blue color for the shirt. Go ahead and start coloring this parrot right here. Well, yes, we will take yellow color for this part and color the body with light green color. After that, we will take dark green color and do it right here. This looks very interesting, isn't it? Let's take black color and do the biggest lamppost we see. And look at that, our entire drawing is ready.